Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
After hearing a suo motu public interest litigation, the High Court has directed the Anjuna Panchayat to immediately stop the business activities of 175 illegal structures put up on Anjuna Beach. During the hearing, the Anjuna Panchayat has accepted before the High Court that those 175 structures do not have required permissions from the authorities and they are operating also without any trade licenses. The High Court has also directed Anjuna Police to assist Anjuna Panchayat officials and video in the process of sealing those illegal premises. The High Court has directed Anjuna Panchayat and the video to file a compliance report within a week and has adjourned the hearing for 4th March for further consideration. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.